Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You begin by confirming system readiness. Make sure your PC runs the required Windows 11 build and that virtualization is enabled in BIOS because the Android runtime needs it. Once done, open Microsoft Store and install Windows Subsystem for Android and the Amazon App Store. These components provide the runtime and app catalog. Make sure you're signed into both your Microsoft and Amazon accounts so app purchases and installs sync properly. This avoids permission errors later and sets the stage for app installation. Next, install apps. Launch the Amazon App Store, sign in, search for the app you want, and click Install. The subsystem handles the runtime, so apps appear in Start automatically. If you need different settings, go to Windows Settings Apps Windows Subsystem for Android to change memory, CPU limits, or file access because resource tweaks can improve performance. For apps not in the store, enable developer mode in the subsystem. Install ADB tools on your PC, connect via a DB and run a DB install app. App to sideload. Finally, run and integrate your Android apps like normal. Launch them from start and pin to the taskbar for quick access, or use snap layouts for productivity. This makes mobile apps behave like native Windows programs. To share files, enable files access in subsystem settings so apps can read your downloads. Some apps also support drag and drop. If an app refuses to open, restart the Windows subsystem for Android. Check virtualization and graphics drivers, and if needed, reinstall the subsystem or the app to resolve corrupted runtime.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.